Hey, Daniel, I'm really excited. I know that many of you have already probably started seeing some advertising for the company called Vital Health. It is going to be a game changer in the wellness field because, listen to me closely, I believe this is the best home business that you can get involved with in the world right now, and it's going to be worldwide. But right now, it's out in North America and in Colombia and some countries in Central America, as well as Canada, U.S., and Mexico. The company started in Mexico. Quite an incredible story. Dr. Tony Rodriguez, his mother and father both passed when he was a very young man. His mother died of crippling arthritis by the time he was only 14 years old. And this is like a condition that, with some knowledge of herbal medicines and homeopathic therapies, his mother could have lived. And then Dr. Rodriguez also lost his father at the age of 16 to diabetes. And so Vital Health is a company that's part of his mission, that he decided that he was going to get and make a positive impact on people's lives. So what I want to show you is I have already gotten the $150 in volume for my month of July. And so I just want to show you this incredible company. I am able to, because I have $150 in volume, I came in on a platinum package. The company has a feature that I get products at 80% discount. So I can buy $200 worth of additional products, and I can actually give these to my wife, give them to a family member. I can give them to somebody that I know is hurting and they need to improve their health. And it only cost me $40. This is the most generous company I've ever seen. This V Daily is a $50 product for affiliates, okay? And I can get it for $10. So what I'm teaching my team to do is qualify with these lower cost products and then come in here with your bonus and buy the more expensive ones. So that's what I did last month. And so the V-Iterin, this one is for your kidneys. The balance is to help you with your blood sugar. And it also helps keep you from feeling hungry. It helps satisfy your appetite. Idle Boost, this is for your immune system. Curcumax also is for helping your immune system and helping with inflammation in the body. So I'm not going to go over all the products because the video would just get way too long. But I do want to scroll on down here and just make a suggestion here. Like the coffees are $35, but you can get them for $8 when you have the bonus. And so, so the other thing is that I came in May of 2025, came in on a platinum pack. And so I've already got, and I ordered in June and I ordered in July, and I've already got $116.50 in reward, loyalty bonus. So this is the normal price for the products. Remember I said the V Daily is $50? Well, you can see right there it's $50. So, so I'll use all of this reward up. And so I just wanted to share this wonderful information with you. And so it's a unilevel. And so you also have a binary genealogy, and that's all of the people that come in and buy packages and they go into your organization. So you earn many ways in this company. And so, but for the purpose of this video, I fulfilled why I believe that Vital Health is really a game changer. The products are high quality. You start off with the detox line, and you will experience results with that tea detox, which, by the way, is $2.40 there in my bonus discount, or it's only $9 for a 1 month supply, because you only need to do that tea detox 1 week out of the year, or out of the month, excuse me. And so, with all of these really highly effective products, people are getting to where they're feeling better. And so they're sharing with their friends, their families, their circle of influence. And then, of course, people like me are doing internet marketing. And so the pay plan is outstanding. You get paid so many ways in this company, and you can sell retail. And imagine buying those expensive products that are $50 products for affiliates. The retail cost of those products are there's a suggested low price range, and then a minimum price range is what they call it, and then a maximum. So you could actually turn 100% profit on your business. And so, and you get monthly checks and you get weekly checks. So in direct deposit, or you can pay yourself to crypto, or you can direct deposit and get to your bank account. And so this is Daniel. This is going to be a game-changing company. They did 41 million last year, and this year they're on track to 100 million, and I believe it'll go to $1 billion company. So the time to get into Vital Health is right now. And so what you can do is, if you go to brainhealthincome.com, you'll go to my page in Vital Health, and my affiliate username is Heal with Daniel. And so Vital Health products are not intended to treat, diagnose, cure, prevent any disease or illness. Always consult with your licensed medical provider to address any of your healthcare needs. And so the purpose of this video is to share why I believe that Vital Health is the best business to work at home. They're established. They own all the land. I've toured the laboratories and the warehouses and met all of the owners down in Hermosillo, Mexico. And they flew me down there on their dime. And so their money is stable. They don't have any debt. And there's some real estate investors that partnered with Dr. Rodriguez. And so the company is a home run. So I look forward to working with you. You can also call me Pacific Time Zone weekdays, 360-383-0265. Bye for now.